YouTube. We're back at it. We had a decent trade today. Before we start that though, your boy got a lamp. It's pretty nice, but I'm not gonna have it during the video because it looks like a sun. But yeah, I need to get a new lamp for this room because all I had is this one lamp over here and it's not enough. So water's so good, bro. Let's get back into it. Today was a textbook day, brother. Textbook day. And we're just gonna go over it, right? Alright, so it's only a Monday, right? We don't have much trades to evaluate. I don't know if I evaluated this trade, but we could just go over this one real quick. So 7 o'clock, which is 8 o'clock right here, right? This is what we see. You know, it's a downtrend, right? Trending downwards from previous yesterday or previous session or whatever, or open. We look over here, ended up being opening at the lows, so there's just like no trade here. What am I saying? Ended up opening, yeah, still at the low. No trade here. It was just bad. Could have got a break a candle here, quick scalp, but we're really not ready for that. But that's just not my strat. Anyways, go back to here. 8 o'clock, which is 7 o'clock. We have nothing yet. We want to see some type of SMT restructure to form to really give us something, because now that this didn't go down and didn't close below, buys are possible. Oh, my bad. Just ate. Came back from the gym, you already know. Okay, that was a burp. Anyways, so as we can see, buys were definitely possible here. Did not tap, so it just wasn't, I just couldn't take it. It didn't tap, so it was invalid for me. Never took it. But then I took this, which was dumb. Why was this dumb? Because I still had a feeling it was gonna tap this, and guess what it did? Tapped into it. Took this trade right here. Got in for, I had some profit, but overall it's just not what you want to see. And yeah, it was a tough little, what, 30 pips around there. Yeah, 20 pips, which is around 40 bucks, but it's all right. We really just gotta listen to ourselves when we feel something's off, like stuff like this. We just gotta like, all right, you know what, whatever. But not a bad trade overall. We just had to take into account small little detail here and listen to that intuition, right? So boom, we skipped through. As you can see, even if we did take this at the end, it's just not part of our plan. Got up here, came through, a lot of weird stuff going on, and there's no way we trade this here. You could trade this, but that's way too big. No point in doing that. You could trade this. There's just no point though. And yeah, we could have got some aftermarket, but that's just not my style. Anyways, let's skip to current day. All right, so it's beautiful as is, and right here. So wake up 7 o'clock. This is the candle. This is what we see. Overextension. That's the first thing that I see. I'm like, all right, chicken bag acquired. I trade on my phone. I just look at the chart on my phone. So we did have a gap down here, and it gave me extra confidence to really get ready for sales, right? So what do we do when we're looking for sales overextended like this? We need to see some type of upwards movement and break a candle, right? So we wait 1 hour, goes up. A lot of people will be caught in this as a demand zone. I would have been caught in this as a demand zone back in the day. Sorry, my Xbox. I use the Xbox lighting for my videos or whatever. It looks way better. Then, so I didn't take here, just waited. Saw this SMT. This will fake a lot of people out thinking it's a buy, right? At the SMT that you wanted, but guess what? We have all this down here to still recorrect, right? So we get this now. Now this is a clear sign of we're not going up. Like from here to go up from here is like very sketch. So that's where we place our bets on. Break candle right here. Boom. Got in here. Stop loss has to be above previous candle, because if not, you're just gambling. And then yeah, so we get out at we didn't get the whole move, which didn't happen today, right? So we got out at right here. So I actually added in right here, because this was a demand zone continuation. We're trying to see the continuation of it, and it didn't happen. But this is textbook, brother, literally textbook. We wait, play the game. If you're not at work, if you're at work, just work, and then just wait till it happens, and then just vibe out with it. It's so simple, right? So yeah, break a candle here, boom, stop loss up here, boom, next candle, stop loss here, secured already, hella profit, and then next candle comes, sold here, got all the way to down here. This was each contract for me is each pip is $2, right? So one contract is $2 a pip, and then if you add 4, that's $4 a pip. So all of this here is just insane gains, and that just shows you the scalability of all this stuff, right? So anyways, we get out there, and yeah, nothing else. Break a candle, broke above it, and that's all she wrote for today, and it was perfect execution. Nothing else happened for the rest of the day, and there's nothing else you could ask for right there, right? So tomorrow we're gonna hopefully see some type of continuation to this downwards movement. Hopefully nighttime brings us some type of upwards action, and then we get an SMT, maybe another break a candle, maybe some structure just go straight down, and yeah, that's all gonna be it. You know, I'm gonna just ramble, bro, because bro, how do you not like water? How do you not like water, bro? I don't understand. Guys, with this trading stuff, I'm really just gonna speak to myself, I guess, because yeah, nobody watches this stuff right now. But this is the beforehand scenes, right, dude? This stuff, it doesn't need to take a long time. It will take a long time if you're not locked in. Like, it's so cliche to say, bro, but sometimes you need that event to happen for you to just be locked in. I thought I was locked in when I got my heart broken in like middle school. Bro, that's not locked in. What happened to me recently definitely got me locked in. Definitely showed me that you're not that guy yet. And that's when this stuff really just turns around, when you really are laser focused. If you have a strategy like mine that you could check every hour, and you just wait till the candle forms, and you have all that time, you have to just have a strategy aligned with you. You're a quick guy, you go on the 1 minute, I guess, but this way you get the most profits possible, right? So right here, you know, we messed up here, even though we took a buy here, right? Because this was a pretty solid buy area for because of the previous day, and then yeah, it could have gone up, but we were missing this because it look at this. This is not proper structure, right? It's just so simple. Not proper structure. There's no reason to buy right now. If we do buy, then it breaks. We need to be ready for the break a candle, enter, or the break a candle, wait, break a candle, wait, then wait for the next break a candle or in the demand zone, and then enter. It's so simple, right? Also right here, we already knew the bias. It was a sell. It was a sell. Bro, I don't know, I'm so burpy, bro. Damn. I guess whatever, I just ate, but we knew it was a sell at 9 o'clock. We waited. I literally was like, we have to give it room for the SMT. The 9 o'clock candle is gonna do its thing, and it's gonna stop us out. What does it do? It stops us out. So what do we do now? We adjust. It has to be above major structure. That's the only way. And if it hits us out and it goes that way, then whatever. We also had another area. See candles like this? Could add in right here. Boom, break a candle, stop loss above here. Like, bro, dude, this is my favorite game ever, and it's amazing. Like, once you put in the time for it and you can see what you're doing and you know what to do now, like, Like you can see it, bro. Like you can really see it. Like yeah, we even did it here, right? So what was wrong with this trade right here, right? So we had not really, we had a thing is with this one, I don't know if we did anything wrong, but you can just tell it's just not enough. It's not enough upwards movement for us to like really take that break of candle, right? It's just really risky, but we still took it, right? If we had like a candle form like kinda here or something, and like not such a big wick, then it probably would have felt better. Got in here, but we didn't like really get stopped out all the way because stop loss was here after candle switch, so we got stopped out. That was like what, 60 pips or whatever, something like that. 30 to like 45 or something like that, we'll call it that. But bro, that's not even the point. One trade does that means the move is not today. All it means the move is not today, right? So we move on 8 o'clock, which is 7 o'clock. We wait, then we wait again, and this right here, what are we seeing right here? This is 10 o'clock. No SMT, no nothing. This will fake out a lot of people because it faked out me. But now when you realize and look back at it, you could really identify these things and then apply it to the next time, right? No SMT, no proper structure. What does this mean? It means it's BS. It means the next day or the next day is gonna retrace. Boom. So we should have been on point right here. We could have. This is a fine trade for a buy. Small buy is fine. But when it breaks the candle, boom, sell right off rip, stop loss above here, ride it out. Add in here demand zone right here, boom, ride it out, or supply zone, whatever, right? Like then we get stopped out right here. That's just easy. Let's see what that is. That's 100 something pips, bro. 100 something pips. Boom, boom, top times 4 that. Like that's at least like 400 bucks. What are we doing, right? So like bro, it's beautiful. And when you're aligned and when I'm focused like this, I don't think like anything can stop me. So I just have to stay consistent with it. Still read the markets perfect. Cause like bro, like in order to get money from these type of conditions right here, like this right here, this is terrible, right? You see this at 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock when you wake up. You don't touch this. Old me would have just bought hoping for something, right? Don't touch this yet. Can't touch this. This you could touch, but it's risky. Like, it's not even 9 o'clock. This is the 8 o'clock candle. This is like what? 30 pips. It's risky, right? Taps it. Not really even taps it. And then flushes. See, the thing is that we would be allowed to, because I saw these SMTs. When you see candles like this, it basically acts as an SMT, touching these wicks, touching these areas, right? That would give you the sign or a slight edge to go for some type of quick scalp. For it to be a long-term thing, because it already tapped what we originally wanted to make major structure, right? So like that should have been the indication right there. So as soon as this happened, let's see, did this happen? 4 2 4 5 4. So yeah, it didn't tap it yet. So break a candle would have been valid, but it's still a small area. Like you have to be very quick with it, right? So but yeah, it's just not worth it here. It's good to identify stuff like that and then just wait on, like here as well, just listen to the intuition. Like we know it's not top tier, like it's just not good enough, right? It didn't tap it. Just listen to what happened. It didn't tap it. Either it tapped or it didn't. It's super simple, right? And then out here, and I wouldn't say forcing a trade, but wanting to see a trade happen, wanting to see a trade play out. Didn't play out, and then yeah, took a L. But then when the stuff is aligned and you know exactly what to do, you get results like that. And it was just all up to the market if you wanted to go down or not. So we're gonna see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for today. Pretty solid day. I'm just gonna continue with it. All right, so catch you guys later.